Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks Online. First, select the subscription plan that best fits your business size and features required. Next, you'll create your company file, providing crucial details like your business name, industry, and contact information. The setup wizard will then guide you through initial preferences, ensuring your accounting system is tailored from the start. This foundational step is vital for accurate financial tracking and reporting. After the initial setup, focus on your company's core information. Accurately enter your legal business name, address, and tax ID. Then, invite team members by adding users and assigning specific roles, ensuring everyone has the correct access. Don't forget to confirm your fiscal year and preferred accounting method, whether it's cash or accrual. These details are crucial for compliance and consistent financial reporting. Now, let's refine your financial structure. Tailor your chart of accounts to precisely match your business operations, adding or editing accounts as needed. This ensures every transaction has a proper home. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts directly to QuickBooks Online. This powerful feature automates transaction imports, saving you significant time. Finally, categorize those initial imported transactions to maintain a clean and accurate ledger from day one. With your core setup complete, explore advanced features like sales tax and payroll, configuring them to meet your specific needs. QuickBooks Online offers robust reporting tools. Take time to understand how to generate and interpret reports for valuable financial insights. Remember, a well-configured system provides clear visibility into your business performance. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.